You know, I just shot this 9 race glove comparison video. Out of the 9 models, 6 of them, myself or my son Max Van, have raced in and or crashed in personally. The Racer High Pers, Max he had 2 crashes so far this year in these. Moto America Super Sport. The RST Track Tech Evo Glove. I got a pair I've ridden in for 4 years. He's ridden these for a couple of years. Crashed in them a few times in Junior Cup, as well as 1 crash in Super Sport. Racer High Speeds. Both of us have ridden in these. I did a Road Racing World Superbike shootout in a brand new pair of these. They're amazing. GP Tech V2 gloves from Alpine Stars. Max did a whole Junior Cup season in those. Loved them. GP Pro R3. Once again, a whole Junior Cup season in those. Loved them. Plenty of crashes to go with it. And then the RS Tai Chi GP Evo R glove. Both of us have used these on the racetrack. What we're trying to do here is we're trying to deploy our expertise, all the time we've spent riding and racing, to improve your experience.